Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add multiple audio on Capcut PC or Capcut mobile, then this video is for you. The process is similar in the PC or mobile too. You have to do is this is actually your main timeline where you can add your main video. Then at the bottom you can add the audio track. You can drag them, you can just hold and drag them here, and also in mobile you can just hold on that, touch on that, and you can drag with your finger and place it at the bottom or the down of that main video. And here you can see I have added a single audio clip here or audio track. Now if you want to add multiple, then you can also drag it down and you can place it before that audio track. If you find that here you can find a line here in the sand color, so if you find that, then that's when you are placing this audio at the before this first audio track, or also you can place it at the last of that after that first audio track. Here is you can see the first and second. Now you can also add more voiceover or any type of audio track like here in this section. So that's how you can add multiple audio track on your video or on your project on Capcut. So that's pretty much simple. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.